I am inevitable. It is not about force or dominance. It is about alignment with law, universal law. I am in accord with what cannot be stopped. I am moving with the current of destiny, not against it. What is encoded in my soul will arrive, because it was meant to express through me. My will, my body, my emotion, my spirit are aligned. My creation is inevitable. Now rushed or force what my ancestors carried unfinished finds completion through me. I synchronize with universal law, like seasons changing or stars rising. My becoming is natural.